Hello, my name is Subin. I'm going to talk about disability reaction on the news article. I support it because they have a lot of issues with disability and barrier and discrimination news article. They have different kind of disability, lot of impact portray of disability in media. News TV show has a lot of disability, for example, Good Doctor. Social model is the people with disability according to the social model of disability. Disability by social barrier that inclusive and discrimination them. It was against the law in the Canada to deny anyone with guide dog access or rescue services. Between no and national parent rule expressly dissatisfied with the consistency in legislation prohibiting discrimination against people with disability who has with guide dog. And the attitudinal barrier is action, perceptions, and assumptions that are discriminatory toward people with disability. For example, in media, discrimination against people with who has guide dog. Positive. It was positive because the fair is using a person with disability in the news article and using disability term that the person always need to put the person before the disability. For example, using fairs a person with disability. Negative always put a person before who? The person who cannot use guide dog. Always need to put the person before who, whatever. For example, the fair person who cannot use guide dog. Where do the article appear? The article can appear in newspaper, publication, and magazine because the article commonly already provide up-to-date information to a wide range of topics due to their relative concision. The methods they are focused on the article. They focus on the message between Olympic role fear function because they are discrimination against people with a disability who using guide dog. They don't allow to use guide dog in public building or school, gym, hospital, medical office, taxi, blah blah blah.